The Grim Reaper paradox presents a compelling philosophical challenge by placing infinitely many events within a finite temporal interval, creating seemingly insurmountable logical contradictions. Central to the paradox is the assumption of strict causal ordering. Each Grim Reaper must verify Fred's status at a distinct prior instant before acting. In this exploration, we propose that this assumption breaks down due to the limit-induced blurring as events approach the zero-time mark. The following analysis clarifies how this conceptual shift resolves the paradox, suggesting a significant insight into the nature of infinite processes and temporal ordering. An insight into the Grim Reaper paradox highlights an essential and subtle philosophical idea: the breakdown or blurring of logical ordering in infinite limit processes. Here's the argument. Fred is alive at exactly time t equals 0. Infinitely many Grim Reapers are scheduled at distinct instants, each one strictly before the next. A Grim Reaper can kill Fred only if Fred is verified to be alive at an instant strictly before its killing instant. Verification and killing are distinct events occurring at distinct instants, with at most one event occurring per instant. As the Grim Reaper's instants approach 0 with no earliest positive instant, there is no explicit earliest time at which a Grim Reaper could logically kill Fred, resulting in an infinite regress if verification strictly precedes killing. As the killing instants approach 0, the differences between consecutive instants shrink to 0. This shrinking difference implies the logical distinctions between verification and killing instants blur in the limit. In other words, strict causal ordering breaks down because infinitely dense times near 0 lose their distinguishability. This blurring effectively resolves the infinite regress problem by undermining the strict ordering assumption necessary for infinite regress. Consequently, Fred will inevitably be killed by some Grim Reaper very close to t equals 0, even though the exact Grim Reaper and instant of killing cannot be specified. Fred thus does not survive the entire minute. He dies within a finite, non-zero interval immediately following t equals 0. Due to some Grim Reaper whose identity is blurred by the infinite limit process. The refined paradox demonstrates that the infinite regress created by explicit verification requirements is resolved when viewed through the lens of limit-induced blurring, providing a philosophically interesting solution to the Grim Reaper paradox.